Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey to discover ingenious methods of maintaining a comfortable living environment within your very homes. The scorching heat of the summer months can be a formidable foe, but fear not, for we shall equip you with the knowledge to combat it without so much as a touch upon your thermostat. Stay tuned, for the secrets to a cooler, more comfortable home await. As the sun ascends its celestial throne, casting its golden rays upon the earth, we must take measures to shield our homes from its intense heat. The first line of defense in our quest for a cooler abode lies in the often overlooked curtains and blinds. Like eyelids that shield our eyes from the sun's brilliance, curtains and blinds act as a protective barrier, preventing the sun's rays from penetrating the windows and transforming our homes into veritable greenhouses. When drawn closed, they intercept the sun's energy, absorbing or reflecting it away from our living spaces. The thicker and darker the curtains or blinds, the more effective they will be at blocking out sunlight. Consider investing in thermal curtains or blinds, which are specifically designed to insulate your home from both heat and cold. By making this simple adjustment, you'll notice a significant difference in the overall temperature of your home. Embrace its shade and enjoy the benefits of a cooler, more energy-efficient living space. Ah, the gentle caress of a summer breeze, a sensation that brings instant relief and a touch of nature's grace into our homes. It's a welcome respite from the oppressive heat that can make even the simplest tasks feel like a chore. But what if I told you that you could create your own refreshing currents within the confines of your home, even on the stillest of days? Imagine turning your living space into a haven of coolness. The answer, my friends, lies in the strategic placement of fans. These simple yet effective devices can work wonders. Fans, those ingenious devices that have graced our homes for generations, hold the power to transform stagnant air into a symphony of swirling coolness. They are more than just appliances, they are our allies in the quest for comfort. One effective technique is to place a fan in a window facing outward, encouraging hot air to exit your home. This method is particularly useful in the evenings when the outside air is cooler. This creates a vacuum effect, drawing in cooler air from other open windows or doors. It's like inviting a gentle breeze to dance through your home. Another clever tactic is to position a fan in a hallway, directing the airflow towards the living areas of your home. This helps to circulate the air more effectively, ensuring that every corner of your space benefits from the cooling effect. And let us not forget the ceiling fan, a stalwart ally in our battle against the heat. Its elevated position allows it to cover a larger area, making it indispensable in larger rooms. By reversing its direction to rotate counterclockwise, a ceiling fan creates a downdraft, pushing cooler air down into the living space. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in your comfort level. With a little ingenuity and strategic placement, you can create a symphony of refreshing air that will make even the hottest summer days more bearable. So embrace the power of fans and transform your home into a cool sanctuary. And in the heart of our homes lies a domain of both comfort and potential heat generation, the kitchen. This space, often bustling with activity, is where we create meals that nourish our bodies and bring families together. While we often associate the kitchen with warmth and nourishment, it can also become a significant source of heat, particularly during the summer months. The combination of cooking appliances and the summer sun can turn this beloved space into an uncomfortable hotspot, but fear not. For even the most ardent culinary enthusiast can maintain a cool kitchen with a few simple adjustments. Simple changes in our cooking habits and appliance usage can make a world of difference. Our modern appliances, from ovens to stoves to dishwashers, are marvels of convenience, yet they also generate a surprising amount of heat. Each time we cook a meal or run a load of dishes, we add to the kitchen's overall temperature. By being mindful of our appliance usage, we can significantly reduce unnecessary heat gain and keep our kitchens cool and comfortable. Turning off appliances when not in use and opting for energy-efficient models can help. One effective strategy is to avoid using heat-intensive appliances during the hottest parts of the day. Instead, Plan your cooking and baking for the early morning or late evening when temperatures are lower. Instead of firing up the oven for dinner, consider opting for no-cook meals such as salads, sandwiches, or wraps. These meals are not only refreshing but also help keep the kitchen cool. And when you must use heat-producing appliances, try to do so during the cooler hours of the day, such as early morning or late evening. This simple shift can make a significant difference in maintaining a comfortable kitchen environment. Another simple yet effective tip is to utilize your outdoor cooking space whenever possible. Grilling outside not only keeps the heat out of the kitchen, but also adds a delightful flavor to your meals. By being mindful of our appliance usage and embracing alternative cooking methods, we can transform our kitchens into cool and comfortable havens. With a bit of planning and creativity, we can enjoy the culinary arts without the added heat. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the land, a welcome transformation occurs. The air, once thick with the day's heat, begins to cool, carrying with it the promise of respite from the scorching sun. It is during these precious evening hours that we have the opportunity to harness the power of natural cooling by inviting the cool night air into our homes. This simple act allows the cooler, denser air to flow into our homes, displacing the warmer air that has accumulated throughout the day. To maximize the effectiveness of this natural cooling technique, open windows and doors on opposite sides of your home. This creates a cross breeze, allowing the cool air to flow through your home more efficiently. As you relax in the evening, enjoying the cooler temperatures and the gentle breeze flowing through your home, take a moment to appreciate the simple yet profound power of natural ventilation. Our windows, those portals to the outside world, play a crucial role in regulating the temperature of our homes. While they allow us to enjoy natural light and views of our surroundings, they can also act as giant magnifying glasses, amplifying the sun's heat and turning our homes into veritable ovens. But fear not, for there is a way to harness the power of reflection and turn our windows from heat traps into heat shields. The answer, my friends, lies in the wonders of reflective window film. This ingenious invention is designed to reduce the amount of solar heat that enters your home while still allowing natural light to pass through. It's like having a pair of sunglasses for your windows, reducing glare and creating a more comfortable living environment. Once applied, it provides years of maintenance-free heat protection, making it a wise investment for any homeowner looking to keep their home cool and comfortable. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on the simple yet effective technique of evaporative cooling to combat the heat. From the deserts of the Middle East to the humid tropics, people have ingeniously used this method to stay cool. And while modern technology has provided us with air conditioners and other sophisticated cooling systems, there is still much to be learned from the wisdom of our ancestors. These ancient techniques are not only energy efficient, but also environmentally friendly. One such technique, as simple as it is ingenious, involves the use of damp sheets to cool the air. This method has been passed down through generations and remains effective even today. The science behind this technique is remarkably simple. When water evaporates, it undergoes a phase change from liquid to gas, absorbing heat from the surrounding air in the process. As water evaporates, it absorbs heat from the surrounding air, causing the air temperature to drop. This natural process can be harnessed to create a cooling effect in our living spaces. By hanging damp sheets in front of open windows, we create a natural cooling system that harnesses the power of evaporation. This method is particularly effective in dry, hot climates where the air can hold more moisture. To maximize the effectiveness of this technique, use lightweight, absorbent sheets such as cotton or linen. These materials hold water well and allow for efficient evaporation. Hang the damp sheets in front of open windows where they will be exposed to a breeze. The moving air will facilitate the evaporation process, enhancing the cooling effect. As the breeze passes through the damp sheets, it'll pick up moisture, cooling the air and creating a more comfortable environment in your home. This simple yet effective method can significantly reduce indoor temperatures, providing relief during hot summer days. In the ongoing battle against the summer heat, it's important to remember that we don't have to cool our entire homes at all times. By closing doors to unused rooms, we effectively create barriers, preventing the cool air from escaping into unoccupied spaces. This simple act can significantly reduce the workload on your cooling system, whether it's a central air conditioner, fans, or simply the natural ventilation from open windows. By concentrating our cooling efforts on the areas where we spend most of our time, we can maximize efficiency and minimize energy waste. Walk through your home and identify any rooms that are not currently in use. Close the doors to these rooms, effectively sealing off these spaces and preventing cool air from seeping in. By strategically retreating to our main living areas and closing off unused rooms, we can create a more comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. As we conclude our exploration of these ingenious cooling techniques, remember that maintaining a comfortable home during the summer months is an achievable goal. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you can outsmart the heat and create a cool and inviting oasis within your own home. Together, we can create a cooler, more sustainable future, one cool home at a time.